Welcome back to another helpful tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Form History step by step. If you've ever submitted a Google form and later wanted to review your responses, track submissions, or check previous form activity, this tutorial will help you understand the different ways you can access your Google Form history and responses. Whether you're using Google Forms for school, work, surveys, registrations, or online applications, knowing how to access your form history can be very useful. So let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Google Forms. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, log in using your email and password. Once you're signed in, you'll see all the Google Forms connected to your account. Now locate the form you want to review and click on it to open it. If you have many forms saved in your account, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the correct form. After opening the form, look near the top section of the page and click on the Responses tab. This is where Google Forms stores all the responses submitted to your form. Inside the Responses section, you'll be able to view summaries, individual responses, and overall response activity. The Summary section gives you an overview of all responses using charts, graphs, and statistics. This is useful when you want to quickly analyze data from surveys or quizzes. If you want to review responses one by one, click on the Individual option. This allows you to move through each submission separately and check exactly what each respondent submitted. You can also connect your responses to Google Sheets by clicking the green Spreadsheet icon. This creates a spreadsheet containing all form submissions in one organized location. Using Google Sheets is especially helpful if you're working with a large number of responses because it makes sorting, filtering, and reviewing information much easier later. Now, if you're trying to check your own submitted response history, there's another important thing to know. Some Google Forms allow respondents to receive a copy of their answers after submitting. If this option was enabled by the form creator, you may find a copy of your responses inside your email inbox. This acts like a backup record of your submission and can be very useful for registrations, applications, or important surveys. Another useful tip is to check your browser history if you recently submitted a form and want to revisit it again. Sometimes the form link can still be found there if you need quick access again. You should also remember that certain response history features depend on the settings chosen by the form owner. For example, some forms may allow editing after submission, while others may hide response details completely. Before leaving the form, it's always a good idea to review the responses carefully and confirm that everything looks correct. If you manage forms regularly, organizing your forms with clear names and folders inside Google Drive can make finding response history much easier later. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Google Forms tutorials and easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.